Okay, so first thing you do is get the patient up where you can access the mouth and not have to wrestle them too much. You lift the lips and get them used to having you rub their gums so that you can get all the way back. And you're trying to get all the way back to here when you're trying to brush the teeth or clean them. One way is to take a gauze sponge and wrap it on your finger like this, and lift the lip and clean each tooth. This hard type tartar here, that has to be taken off in the cleaning. But the idea is to try to stop it from continuing to build up. Clean each tooth. We just proceed around this on both sides and try to do the bottom too if you can. Now, I don't know if you can see this brown material here, but that's the plaque that's coming off that'll turn into that tartar. Okay. So after you do that, you take some of this enzymatic toothpaste called Oratine. Put it on your finger like this and rub it all over the gums on each side. And they'll use their tongue to smear it around. And this really is antibacterial effect. If you wanted to use something for a dentifrice, like a toothpaste, like we use, I would just use some baking soda. The toothpaste that you get at the pet stores don't really have much in them. This stuff is the only thing that I know of that really is worthwhile to use in the mouth. Other than that, I'd use some baking soda. Now you can also use a brush. You can use the paste on the brush. And if you're using the brush, you lift the lips up and you try to go back and forth like this. Get those bristles up underneath the gum line. To get in the back, you have to lift the lip way back like this and get back in there. Now, some dogs build tartar on the inside of the teeth as well, but it's pretty impossible to get inside there to do the inside surface. So you're doing the best you can and hoping they'll help you out by doing the inside. Most have the majority of their issues on the cheek surface of the teeth. And you're getting all the way back. There you go. So that's how you do it. Now, this is a brush we have for you. You're going to send home. You can get some of this if you want, or you can try just using some baking soda with some water. I generally accept that pretty good, and it does a decent job. And that's how you do the teeth.